I'm Terry Howard, and I'm a senior paralegal with CareFusion Coprporation. We support the quality and regulatory affairs groups across the company. CareFusion is a global company serving the healthcare community, and we provide medical technology services, and our vision is really to improve healthcare costs and safety for our customers and patients. The regulatory environment surrounding medical devices is quite stringent. Enforcement actions for compliance can be quite steep, so it can range from monetary penalties to loss of goodwill with customers, competitive disadvantage, and sometimes, in extreme cases, criminal liability. CareFusion has absolutely benefited from having a software solution. We came from a legacy system that was paper-based, and so the software solution has allowed us to have a central repository for information. It's provided an easier workflow. Definitely from a consistency standpoint, Zinc has benefited the company, and all of that leads to effective compliance. When we were sourcing a software supplier, we had several criteria. One was we needed a system that was user-friendly, that we could bring our users on board and have them quickly make the transition from a paper-based to an electronic solution. We wanted a partner. We didn't want just a vendor at the other end of the line. We wanted someone to work with us on our compliance program, and we found that with Zinc. We needed someone to help us through the implementation plan from start to finish, and we wanted to make sure that we had reliable help on the other end when our users had questions. We met with the U.S. Director of Operations right away, and he was able to demo the product not only to the users but also to executive leadership. We had several face-to-face meetings before we even kicked off. We had a very lengthy list of user requirements, and Zinc went through them with us one by one to make sure that they were compatible. With an aggressive timetable, Zinc was able to meet our time schedule and to provide help and assistance along the way. We really feel like we've got a partner in Zinc. The help desk is available both by phone call and by email, and their responsiveness is one of the key benefits that I talk about with my colleagues. We also are invited twice a year to a user forum where we get to collaborate and discuss not only our own feedback, but also what their intentions are and what they have in the pipeline for future development. By far, I don't think I've ever partnered with a software vendor that has made me feel like we're still important even after the sale.